Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn yourself into either a Sims character or a retro game character in TikTok using filters. So for the retro game filter, just go to the search button. I did type it wrong. It's the retro game filter. You're going to select that. You can either take a picture of yourself or upload a photo. I'm just going to upload a photo. So select this camera button. And once you've selected the camera button, you're going to select the filter and you're going to select the photo of your choice. Then it's going to load the photo like so, and it will turn yourself into a retro game character. There's also the Sims one, but you do have to take a picture of that. You can't upload it. You can either record this or take a photo. But that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Here, I'll show you real quick where the Sim filter is. Just search Sims filter and select the Me in the Sims one. And it will basically show you what you look like as a Sims character, like that. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!